5.5 earthquake 38 kilometers north of Pucallpa, Provincia de Coronel Portillo, Ucayali, Peru, on Thursday, December 22, 2022, at 8:13 a.m. GMT-5, 45 minutes ago. Moderate magnitude 5.5 earthquake at 157 kilometers depth. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RENAS, which listed it as a magnitude 5.3 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 6.1, the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shake at magnitude 6.4, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 6.4.